Bird and Kip, Episode 21, The Huge Mess. Kip's hole was a mess. Stuff was everywhere. There were acorns all over the place. And there was no room for Kip.
You don't need a nest,
said Bird.
You need to clean up this mess.
You're right, Bird,
said Kip.
I am going to clean it up.
No,
said Bird.
we are going to clean it up. Let's start with these acorns,
said Bird.
Pick out the ones you want to keep, and we'll throw out the rest.
They sorted the acorns into neat piles. Then they swept the floor. And they washed the dishes. Soon, Kip's hole was nice and clean.
Well, Kip,
said Bird.
now you have plenty of room.
Kip looked around. He rubbed his chin.
Thank you, Bird.
Said Kip.
Now I have room for more acorns.